Audio progress.
Namaste, everybody. Welcome once again to my channel. And this is a quick announcement that I wanted to make about an upcoming event. So I will be at the Sedona Vedic Astrology Conference in Arizona. And this is going to be an in-person conference from the 20th to the 25th of August 2025. This conference will be hosted by Dr. Dennis Harness and Shanati. And this, because being an in-person conference, there are limited spots. There are only 108 spots, and these spots are filling up very quickly. I said, let me do a very quick announcement, because tomorrow is going to be the last day for you to avail a special discount in person for those people who want to join us at the Spiritual Vortex at Sedona and an in-person conference. This conference is called as the 9 Jewels of the Lotus Conference. And I'll be sharing the discount code, which will give you a discount of about 11%. It's 10.8% off for in-person. And there will also be some virtual packages if you also want to take up. So let's quickly go into what this conference is all about, and let me share my screen and show you this wonderful website that has been put up. So this is the 9 Jewels of Lotus Conference. I will be sharing the details of the conference website and its registration also. And you can see this is from August 20th to 25th. As Parashara's 9 Jewels of the Lotus. And you can see an esteemed faculty will be presenting at this conference. And you can see the schedule as well of this conference, which is shared here on this website. So you can go through all the fantastic lectures that will be shared at this conference. I will be speaking on the 23rd, which is the Saturday. And I will be speaking about, the topic is cosmic healing. So you can go through the lecture description that I've shared here. So we will be discussing in depth about the ancient science of Vedic healing and remedies that will include, mantras, numerical totems, gemstones, ritualistic practices. So all of this is going to be very exciting, and this is going to be a full day conference. So you can see the hidden signs of the Vedic astrology remedies, and that would be from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on the 23rd of August, which is a Saturday. So I welcome all of you to participate in person, and you can avail the special discount code that I'll be sharing in the description. So I look forward to seeing you all at this conference, which is in person. Thank you and namaste.